Well, it's that time. That time of year. Need to see if get this all running and moving. Split up a few pieces. See what I got. I got some stuff that's good, maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna split up a little bit. But mainly, I want to see if I can get it running. And go from there. Still got gas in it. Looks like we had some wasps living there. I better make sure my clutch is disengaged. Man, wonder where my hatchet's at. Oh, the cows must have knocked it off there. I should have brought my camera. Should have brought some meat. Put some gas in that one. It wouldn't stay running yesterday. I come over here and all I did is choke it and start it. And everything worked good, ran fine. I split up a little bit. I just had a few pieces here cut up from last year. Yeah. So looks like be able to get me a few loads out here, and then I gotta start working on Chicken's hedge. He gets all the good stuff, but he provides me a place to do it, so. And the call logs, that always helps. All right, bye.